Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your mobile through the Bluetooth system in the VW Golf. It's a 2016 model. So from any screen, if you go into your music like so, we'll just click on that. You see there the silver triangle and 3 silver circles. If you click there, you'll see VW BT 2040. There's a tick next to it. That means that any audio that plays off your phone, if you have the media set up correctly, the audio will come through the system. Now I'm going to turn that down. I can't play any music for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike. So we'll click play, over to the system, click on media. It's already come up. That's the track playing on the system from my phone. However, if it's not, there you go. I'll just do that again. If you move your hand towards it, you've then got these other this other menu comes up, and source. So if you don't immediately see the track on the display, you click on the source. It could be on CD, SD card, navigation, USB, and you have to click, you have to highlight BT audio. Just go to that again. Where is iPhone? Media, source, select the BT audio, and that's it. Now if I turn this up, turn it up here, that's how you stream audio.